We're going to be doing the spark plugs and the coil packs in the Liqui Moly S2000 today. These are really old. I'm just doing some preventative maintenance. I don't know how long it's been since the coil packs and the spark plugs were replaced, but we're going to replace them with OEM replacement. There's some Denso plugs, and I got some NGK coil packs, or NGK spark plugs, and I got some Denso coil packs right here. I'm going to take the coil packs out. Those come out pretty easily. And then push the clip, pull it out. Okay. Push the clip, pull it out. Push the clip, or push it out in this case. This one, that's number 4. Doesn't look too bad, just looks kind of old. In order, so I know which one's which. If one looks bad, I know that's the bad one. So S2000s have a 5/8 socket for the removal of the spark plug itself. I've got one right now, and it's going to, there you go, it's on. I don't think these were tight enough, honestly. Yeah, I don't think these were tightened down enough. The new spark plugs that I want to be using are NGK, but they're laser iridium, so that's the part number. So normally what I do is I use like a little rubber hose to twist it by hand before I actually put a socket down there, so I don't damage it or accidentally drop it. So, see? And I don't cross thread either, so this is like very, very soft. I lightly thread it on there, and it comes right off. Yeah, they're in. I'm gonna tighten it by, or thread it in first before I tighten it. And I just want to hand tighten it, and then a little bit past hand tight, because you don't want to cross thread it or break the spark plug into the actual head, because that is a very, very expensive and time-consuming job. these are the Denso coil packs that I'm using. That's the part number. They're supposedly an OEM replacement. So this is going to be the easy part. So I literally just put one in, plug it in. That's plugged in. Number 2. Plugged in. Number 3. Plugged in. And the last one. Plugged in. Push all the way down. Make sure all the plugs are in. Put these in by hand, thread them in a couple threads by hand, and then I'm going to zip them down. Thanks for watching this video of me doing the spark plugs and the coil packs on the Liqui Moly S2000. Like I said, I'm doing a lot of preventative maintenance. I don't know when the last time the spark plugs were changed. I don't know the last time the coil packs were changed, but I did everything OEM or OEM plus, and hopefully this car drives even better than it did. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.